Hello. The subject I want to bring today is not the is about the education. I worked in the uh, on the online training for 10 years. For 10 years, last 10 years, I did the e-learning. So, looking at the way we teach now at schools, I think it's outdated way of teaching. For example, I'm on Khan Academy, and they have this like first grade, second grade math path. So this is how they teach, and I think that all schools teach the same way. So on the first grade, we just teach the addition and subtraction, very easy stuff at the beginning. On the second grade, we just add like two zeros, yeah, and we go again the same thing. We go with thousands on the second grade. On the third grade, we still doing addition and subtraction and multiplication. So on fifth grade, we do the same thing. We teach a little bit complex stuff, but it is the same thing. On up to fifth grade, student can regular student can jump a lot if they started. So the way I propose is um, we teach kids a lot of things that they will not use in real life. They wouldn't use their calculator on their mind. Okay, it can be like up to 10, up to 100. They will do it by just using the calculator. They will see a lot of this calculation. It will sink in their memory. But usually we just sit and remember all these multiplications one by one. We just say it. I remember how we did. What you just said, like 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. We're just memorizing, yeah. There's no need to do that. So my suggestion is if we teach them on the first grade, we teach them how to use calculator. On eighth grade, I guess they already we just switch everything to calculators. Why to do it on eighth grade? We spent like 5 years to teach them calculating from memory, and then on eighth grade we control whether they're using correctly their scientific calculators. I think it's wrong. So my proposal is why not to use the calculator on the first grade? So if we give them calculators, this the hundreds and 1000s, they will be easy for them because it's just extra zeros and they can use calculators. This so we can do like up to fifth grade, we can teach them on the first grade, and it's easy. It wouldn't be hard. A lot of kids can use calculator if they do numbers. So we can use calculators. We'll give them complex equations. On first grade, they will already know how to use fifth grade equations because it's calculator, and they need to we need to understand that they know the subject, not just add them. So we'll give them a lot of complex equations. So it will train their brain to work better than the uh, regular way we teach. So we give them more complex equations, and on first grade they already know how to do the subjects that they do on fifth grade. So by doing this, we're just saving 4 more years. So if we go, the rest goes the same, but I think we can shrink the rest too. But on for example, on their eighth grade, they already finish like their high school because we are not 12 years, we're 8 years. So the next 4 years we can give them the the bachelor knowledge. So we give them the things that we teach at the university. So you can imagine when they go to university to for the bachelor. So you can imagine how they will do the things that we do on master's degrees. They will start on their bachelors. So I think by doing this small simple trick, we can we can save 4 years of a student because after eighth grade we go to calculators anyway. So why do we do all these calculations? So I think this is the best way to teach students. And on my next video, I'll show you why this doing first grade and second grade is not the way how it should be nowadays. Nowadays it should be different, but on my next video I'll explain what is the better way of teaching using the new technologies and everything, how we can do all these things. And the things that I propose is not new. This I haven't seen this idea of using the calculator, but still it is like a logical to come up to that conclusion. Thank you very much.